Hello, today I'm really excited to introduce to you MyUNCP, which is the new internet platform designed to be your central hub for tools and resources as a graduate student. When logging into my.uncp.edu, you're going to use your Brave Mail credentials. So as long as you are logged into your Brave Mail or Brave Web account, it should automatically log you in when you type in the address. But if not, once you log in, you shouldn't have to log in again as long as you're using the same browser. So first, instead of hitting the quick links button on the homepage, you're going to hit the menu button over here. And MyUNCP is right here. The first thing you'll see when you enter MyUNCP is your dashboard, where you can kind of create your own little widget board. I have Instagram, Canvas, my advising information. You can add your email. One really important one that I like to keep on here is holds and restrictions. This is where your online account center will populate. So your bill will show there when you have a bill. So here you can go to the search bar and you can search Banner Self-Service or Brave Web. You want to go directly to Brave Web, and then you can go to Banner Self-Service. You can also choose Banner Self-Service over here. You can go to Student, access your information. You're going to need to be able to access all of your forms that used to be on the website. So where will you go for that? Of course, the graduate school homepage. And I have starred this, so it is on my shortcuts. So first, just make sure you list all of your shortcuts here that you're going to use quite often, and then you can also access all of the other pages here by hitting pages. But let's go back to the graduate school. You can access the graduate school forms, so if you need to withdraw from a course, you can withdraw from a course here just by clicking this link. It'll take you to a Google form. You can submit an enrollment verification request, name change request form. This is where you're going to go for graduation applications. And lastly, I do want to show you that you can access your Canvas account directly on your dashboard. So when you do have classes, they will populate here and you can just click on the course. But you can click view your courses and it'll bring you directly to Canvas. And just to remind you guys, MyUNCP is brand new to everybody. We're still working out some kinks. If you guys run into any errors, any broken links, please reach out to the graduate school and we'll take care of it as quickly as possible. We wish you the best of luck and good luck on your semester.